Hello, how are you? Morning exercise. The view. There, where you want to go? Isn't it nice? The big kids. It's more fun than the smaller one over there. Just wanna climb up, all the way up. Please monitor my action. I'm going down to the ground slowly through the stairs. Yeah? Don't have just retreat step by step. You may not knowing how I go up, but I know how to get down. Retreat. Be careful. Careful. It's not easy to go downstairs. You're brave. You're brave. Wow. Wow. Whoa. Yeah. You're safe to the ground. Yeah. Hi. Want to come up? Yes, I grew up. Watch me. Come upstairs. Upstairs is piece of cake. Whoa. Almost there. Whoa, almost there. Let's use climbing plus walking. Ah. Yeah, you got it. Wow, you made it through to the highest spot. Such a nice day. Make it real. You want to climb to the ladder? I say I need to review my rules. Review. Alright, I'll let you review yourself.